Hi guys, so the other week I dropped my phone, the phone screen stopped working. I would turn the phone on and it would look like this. Okay, so that's what it used to look like. All I did to fix it was gave it a good squeeze like this, all around here, squeezing very firmly all around. Turn it over, just squeezing it all around here, and all I'm doing is any connections inside I'm trying to squeeze back together. So inside there's lots of connections, but there's a connection called a ribbon cable which looks like this, and that connects the screen to the actual circuit boards of the phone itself. So I'm just trying to squeeze these connections back together if any of them are shaken loose, because it looked like a bit of an electrical fault there. So I've done that, squeezed lots, and then turned the phone on. And when I was squeezing it, when I was fixing it myself, the phone was off. So I've done that, and the screen works perfect. So I haven't had a problem since. But I suppose if it did happen again, I'd repeat the exercise all over again. Just give the phone a good squeeze and hope it fixes it again. But it's a nice simple fix, doesn't cost you anything, saves you having to go out and buy a new phone screen, especially if you're coming towards the end of a contract, etc. But a nice simple fix. Squeeze the phone, hopefully it puts the connections back together. But it's worth a try if it's happened to you. So I hope this has helped you, and it's helped fix your phone if it was broke like mine was. If you've got any questions, just drop me a message or a comment and I'll try and get back to you, and give it a thumbs up if you can, guys. Cheers.